I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by bitcoinwell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
Obviously, I'm very bullish on a lot of the free open source stuff happening. I spent my whole career in engineering, not necessarily computer. But the term of free open source software didn't really start coming around until I got into Bitcoin. And at the end of the day, like, I kind of look at Bitcoin as a tool. Like, I was a mechanical engineer, I worked on my car. And if you don't have the right tools, like something that's easy is a lot harder. And Bitcoin, I think, is a tool, and free open source software is just like another bucket of tools within this tool. And for me, what I enjoy, or at least like the niche that I've found in Bitcoin that's interesting to me, and I think is kind of untapped, is something about, like, ultimately BTCPay is self-custodial. I say self-custodial payment processing, which we've never had in the history of humanity unless you were running an all-cash business. And there's a lot of power with all-cash businesses for a multitude of reasons, but there's a lot of risk because, one, you're limiting your reach, like, because you can't do digital online cash until Bitcoin. And then you have like all this risk of capital in one place. So you have like all this risk of theft and counterfeit. So I have this like weird like obsession recently with how do we replicate a cash payment digitally, but it still has to have a physical sense to it. So in Hong Kong, you know, we had a lot of distractions going on with some of these other projects, but I thought it was really important to do Bitcoin as the medium of exchange. And yeah, we used BTCPay because it's a powerful point of sale that's free for anybody to use in the world. And then we used Bolt Cards because somebody didn't have Bitcoin. Like, it's not as easy as it looks to just download an app and agree to all these terms and services and then load the app, where I could, you know, I was literally just taking cash and throwing it on a Bolt card and handing them the Bolt card. And they could go through, spend it throughout the conference. So yeah, that was a really cool project.